Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Benson Bihi. Subscribe, like and comment. So today I want to explain something concerning the dark continent, which is Africa. Why is it that Africa is the most underrated continent, yet the wealthiest continent in the world? One thing that makes Africa to be the most underrated continent, the first thing is our politics or poor political structures. In Africa, the politicians are massively used by those other continents to exhaust Africa. What about social and economic life? Social talents and sports are not taken that seriously in Africa. Imagine in abroad or countries or continents like America, a 17-year-old is already earning more than a million of money or dollars due to talent, may it be music or sports, that is football and other sports. But here in Africa, those things are much underrated. A parent will rather take their children to school rather than taking them to a sports club. Then let us talk about economic structure. In Africa, we have a poor economic structure in that the rate of poverty is always higher than the rate of richness. You may find that those who are rich, the billionaires, the trillionaires, they are uncountable. Of which, when you go to countries like America, Sweden, everybody has money, or if not so, they have something on their pocket. They can lead just a good life without much struggles. Again, why is it that those people, the black Americans, the black in Arab countries, and the black in the UK, the United Kingdom, why do they hate Africa, yet they know that this is their ancestral land? The reason I came to understand why do they hate African is just because they see African as a failed continent, and no one want to come to live in a failed continent. They rather visit Africa and go back instead of establishing homesteads here in Africa. But the youth and those who are enlightened in Africa see it better to apply for green cards and leave Africa, go in other continent and establish homesteads. Why? Just because of poor political, economic and social structures.